I tried Bither Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first downloaded the Bither Wallet app, I honestly didn't expect much. It looked simple, almost too simple. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that Bither isn't just another Bitcoin wallet. It's one of the most underrated tools for people who truly value offline security. On day 1, I set up both the hot wallet and the cold wallet options. That's when it hit me. Bither actually lets you create an offline wallet on a completely disconnected device. No internet, no Bluetooth, no Wi-Fi. Your private keys never touch the web. Most wallets claim to be secure, but Bither's cold storage approach makes it genuinely hacker-proof. By day 3, I started using the hot wallet for small transactions. The interface is minimal, but it does the job perfectly. You can send and receive Bitcoin quickly, monitor market prices, and even check network stats, all without the clutter you find in most modern apps. Midweek, I tried pairing the cold and hot wallets. Here's where things got interesting. You can sign a transaction offline on your cold wallet, then broadcast it online through your hot wallet. It's a two-step system that's surprisingly easy once you understand it, and it's incredibly safe. By day 7, I realized what makes Bither so special. It's not built for hyper trends. It's built for serious Bitcoin holders who care more about security than flashy design. No multi-coin distractions, no token swapping, no hidden fees, just pure, focused Bitcoin storage. The shocking truth. Bither might look basic, but it quietly offers one of the most secure Bitcoin storage systems available today. If you want peace of mind and control over your private keys, this app proves that sometimes simplicity is the ultimate strength.